Thank you for joining us tonight at 10. I'm Carissa Codell. 2 people have died from the flooding in Howell County due to the rain that hit the area in recent days. Now floodwaters are going down and first responders are beginning to relax. Ozarks First Jared Henry spoke with first responders in Howell County today about their intense weekend.
The parking lot I'm standing in now was completely underwater this weekend, and now the floodwaters have receded. I spoke with the Howell County Sheriff, and he explained to me that this weekend was very busy for him and his deputies.
It's been exhausting. It's been very busy for all my deputies. The water rescue teams, the conservation agents were out, the highway patrol was out. I mean, it was an all hands on deck kind of situation.
The West Plains area getting over 9 inches of rain this week. Nearly 5 of those inches came on Friday, April 4th. Sheriff Matt Roberts says this weekend reminded him of the flood that hit West Plains in 2017.
We're around 30 confirmed water rescues in this area.
Roberts showed me a vehicle used for water rescues, explaining to me that with it, crews are able to drive up to the stranded civilians and let them walk straight in.
We had a vehicle down by White Ranch down south of West Plains, and it had been swept completely off the roadway and was about to go down the river.
Even with floodwaters going down, some roads are still closed due to high water levels. Southbound Highway 63, just north of West Plains, is being diverted as water still sits on southbound lanes.
You never know what's under that water as far as washes and cuts, and we've seen vehicles go off in cuts that are 4 or 5 feet deep, and then it submerges most of the vehicle.
With so much rain hitting Howell County over most of a week, Roberts says preparation was key.
It was just making sure everybody was aware of what was going to happen and just trying to stage what resources we had in order to respond effectively.
Sheriff Roberts says that now he and other departments will begin assessing any damage caused by the flooding. Reporting in Howell County, I'm Jared Henry, Ozarks First.